Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Today I will show quick and easy mutton pulao. It is so easy to make, anyone can cook. You can try and enjoy it anytime. It is a Eid special recipe. It takes only 1 hour. Let's see the ingredients for marinating mutton. Mutton 2 kg, olive oil 4 tablespoon, red chili powder 4 teaspoon, salt to taste, 8 red chilies broken in half, 6 medium onion roughly chopped, 12 pieces green chili broken in half. In a bowl, add mutton, olive oil, red chili powder, salt, dry red chilies, green chilies, onion and mix everything properly and keep aside for at least 1 hour or overnight. I have marinated the mutton for overnight. Add olive oil in mutton, red chili powder, salt, dry red chilies, green chilies, onion, mix everything properly. Marinate mutton for at least 1 hour. Let's see the ingredients of yogurt mixture. It is very important. Please do not skip it. 4 cup yogurt, 4 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 4 tablespoon fried onion, few mint leaves. Add ginger garlic paste in yogurt. Coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, fried onions, mint leaves. Mix everything properly. Yogurt mixture is ready. Keep aside for further use. Let's see the final preparation of mutton pulao. Basmati rice soaked 2 kg. Cinnamon stick 4 pieces. Black pepper 40 pieces. Black cardamom 4 pieces. 4 tablespoon ghee. 4 tablespoon fried onion. Few mint leaves. Salt to taste. In a large pot, add ghee, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, black pepper, marinated mutton and cook it over medium flame until the mutton is light brown. In a pan, add ghee. Add cinnamon sticks, black cardamom, black pepper. Stir it for 1 minute. Add marinated mutton. Cook over medium heat until the mutton becomes light brown. Now add the yogurt mixture and cook it until the ghee starts coming up. Add yogurt mixture. Cook until the ghee starts coming up. Now mix well. Cover it and cook it until the mutton is 80% cooked. Cover it and cook until the mutton is 80% cooked. Open the cover. Mutton releases lot of water, so I did not add any water. You can see ghee starts coming up on the top of the mutton. Now add fried onions, mint leaves, salt and add soaked basmati rice. Add fried onion, mint leaves, salt. Add rice. Now mix basmati rice with mutton. Then add 1 liter hot water. Now mix the rice with mutton. Add hot water. Now cover it and cook until the mutton pulao is perfectly done. Now cover it. Stir it occasionally. Open the cover. See the texture of mutton pulao, it is perfect. My mutton pulao is done. Now serve in a dish. Place mint leaves in the center for decoration. Spread fried onions. Have a close look. It is the time to taste. Mutton is tender and juicy. Rice is well cooked. If you have any question regarding this recipe, you can ask me. I will reply. Put your valuable comments in my comment box. Your comments always inspire me. Thank you for being with me and watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty. Please do subscribe my channel.